Hey guys, it's Jack, and I'm back doing some more Computercraft stuff. Again, not tutorial at all. Maybe it is, I don't really know. But, I have no idea what I did last time, or what I went over, or anything. I know I went over my startup in the email. See, this is why I don't do that. Whatever. I'm gonna try and figure out a way to do that sooner or later. There's probably like, I know I didn't do this, but it's like super duper simple, so why not? Actually, I'll show it first. Guess a number between 1 and 1,000. 500. Oh wait. Okay, yeah, no, it's just like, so 501, 250, 100. Alright, so it's between. Oh wait, what? Oh wait, no, okay, never mind. Okay, now we're getting close to it. A really simple program, but it's actually kind of fun, so. 27. 28. And then I have congratulations, you win. Press E to exit, R to restart. And restart it. I also have this if you put in 420. Yeah. And I messed something up there. 1 second. What? How did... Never mind. Here, let me try that again, see if I fixed it. Okay, there we go. Easy. And I still broke something. Sorry, I just gotta make sure I fixed it. And, yeah. Okay, okay. Now, I call it guess because you have to guess the number. Term.clear, so it just clears the screen. Win equals false. Term.set cursor position, blah blah blah. You know what that does, but I already said it in the last video. Math.random seed OS time. What this does is, this is what gets the number. Kind of. Not really, but it helps get the number. Actually, I don't know how to explain it. It puts a random seed for a number later. So math.randomSeed is based on the time. So the seed of the number is based on the time, and the time changes, every... Yeah. So then number equals math.random 1 between 1,000. Math.random is just part of the API. I hope I'm not saying anything wrong, but I don't know much myself, So variable. Now the variable, this is for the Easter egg. I named it Easter. Math.random 420, comma 420. I don't know how to do it just where... I guess I could just put... Who cares? I'm gonna have it like that. Doesn't even matter. Then I made this function again, like I did in the startup script, I think it was. Sprint, text util slow print. While true do is a loop that kind of just keeps going on until it breaks or something. Yeah. So while true do, guess equals io.read, which we already said reads what you type in. So if you put 7, then that's guess. Guess to number makes whatever you put in, make sure it's a number. When equals false again. If guess equals number, then when equals true. Break. I'll tell you why I did that later. Else if, the reason why I did this, reason why I didn't just run through the thing right here, is because I tried that first, but it kind of broke, and I didn't know what else to do, so then I tried this, and then I put something all the way at the bottom, and then it did work. It was kind of cool. So if guess equals number, then when equals true. Break, so that means ends this line of code. Break ends the while true do. And since it's a loop, it just keeps going on until a break happens. Else if, that's practically just doing that, kind of, or else, and if, same thing. Guess equals Easter egg, so that means if you guess 420, then slowly print 420 Blaze It Boys. You found an Easter egg. Sleep. I'm going to change that to 2. Actually, can I do? I don't know if I could do that, but I'm doing it anyways. Then show.run CL. Break. So that also ends it. That's what I just added. Else if guess is lower than number, then slowly print the numbers lower. Else if guessed, I messed that up. Else if guess is higher than the number, then the number is lower. Else if guess is lower than the number, then slow print the number is higher. Sorry, I messed that up. End for that, and end for that. You gotta put end at everything. Well, kind of, it's weird. So, here's what I ended up doing for the when, but I couldn't get the other thing to work. If when equals true, then, and up here I have when equals true if the guess equals number. If when equals true, then print congratulations you win. Print press E to exit, R to restart. Local event, comma, key equals OSPOL event key, which I already showed what that does, but just figures out what key you press. If key equals keys.e, then print exiting sleep 1 shell.run CL, which is that program that puts like Llama DOS or whatever I did. Else slowly print, like this is if you don't press E and instead you press R or something like that. Else sprint, slowly print, restarting, sleep 1 shell.run guess, so that just runs it again. And then that's that program. It's actually that's kind of the first program I put on this. Yeah, it was fun. Wait, what's this? Ooh, yeah. So, if you don't know Computercraft, there's it's in Minecraft, and I'm just using emulator, but you're able to get disk drives, and I would put all of this on a disk drive. So then, if you want to install, quote, quote, Llama DOS, if you want to install Llama DOS, then you just run the startup. You'll install all of that into your Computercraft computer, and then you could use the programs to put on it and stuff like that. And I'm going to show you how I did that with this startup. So I did the function sprint again. fs.makedir, so this just makes a folder, and it's named Llama DOS. Slowly print, welcome to Llama DOS setup, please press enter to continue. And I just noticed there's double space there. And then I have warning, warning, warning. This will replace your startup file. Local event key, os.pull event. If key equals enter, then if fs.exist startup equals true, then so if there's already a startup file on the computer, then fs.delete startup deletes it, then fs.copy disk/startup.file startup. So reason why I have it like this is because you can't have two files named the same thing. So I named a startup file that has a password and stuff on it, startup.file, and when it's copied over, I name it startup so it gets run as the startup file on the computer, and hopefully this makes sense. And yeah, it deletes the other one, the old one. Else, meaning if it doesn't exist, just copy it. You don't gotta delete it, and that fixes any errors. And then end for the end for the else and end for the if. Then fs.copy, so it copies the guess thing that I just showed into the llama-dos folder, and it's named guess. CL, llama-dos folder, named CL. Credit, named credit, in the llama-dos folder. I put all these in the llama-dos folder. Email, so it just doesn't fill up like your front, like, normal thing. Llama-dos, and I just did all of that. Look at that. That could have broke things. What was I going to say? Oh yeah, so then that moves all of that over there, but just in case so I just went over all my programs there, but just in case if, like you want all the programs like right here, I gotta make a program to like transfer all of them right there in just a single run of code. Or not a single run of code, but just by running the program it transfers it over. Which I could do right now, I guess. I just name it move. Oh, sorry. fs. See, the only problem about that is if they already have a program named CL or something around those lines, and they'll break everything. fs.copy. I don't really remember these codes, but let's try it. What's it called? Llama. No. / llama dos / credit. Let's do the credit one first. So this will copy. This is the location where it's at, and it copies to. Actually, I don't need the credit one there. I bet. Guess. And it'll just copy it to. Wait, is that how I do it? I have a feeling I'm doing that wrong. Probably am, because I do a lot of things wrong. No, I guess I'm doing that right. Okay. I think that's how I would do it, and then bracket, and then I just gotta do that for a bunch of the other things. I don't think you guys really need to see me do this, so you could just, I don't know if I should end it. Email, yeah, sorry. I'll just do this one and then end it. Email. Yeah, well, thanks for watching. Me doing Computercraft slightly, trying to show you what to do, hopefully. I don't know. Whatever this is. Thanks for watching.